Now I'm going to go through one way to install nuBuilder Forte on Windows. If you were to download this Apache and Friends installment, and from SourceForge you can download the latest copy of nuBuilder Forte. Now this took a little while to do, so I did it a little bit earlier. There's two files. Now we'll start this up and we'll install PHP, MySQL and Apache. Alright, so here we get started. We'll pick everything, we'll say we want it in a directory called cxamps, which was the default there. This is what it would look like if we cut half the time out. It actually took a couple of minutes to do this. Alright, so that part's finished. So we've installed the software that nuBuilder is going to run on. So we now start Apache and we'll start MySQL, and then what we'll do is we'll go into the admin, which is phpMyAdmin, and we need to add a database where this is all going to be stored. So we're going to call this database nuBuilder 4. You can see on the left hand side there isn't a database called that at this point. Okay, now there is. Now we'll also just go here and we'll look at the user accounts just to show there's different ways you can log in. The one we're going to use is root, localhost and no password. Alright, so I just wanted to show you that quickly because that's where we decide. That's what we'll need to edit in the new config file so that we can access the database. Okay, so I'm going to copy this over into the directory here, but under a directory called htdocs. Right, so we'll paste that in. And jump forward in time. And I'll just take the last bit off the word, so it just says nuBuilder 4. Alright, so that's the nuBuilder 4 directory. We'll get new config.php here. We'll open that up. And the settings are already set to the defaults here. But we'll just go through them. So there we've got our host, which is the same as localhost. We've got the name of our database that we just created. We've got a username of root and a password of nothing, which we saw in phpMyAdmin. And we've got a globe admin user and password and title. So you can customize them and then save that. And basically if you go now to localhost nuBuilder 4, you will actually find nuBuilder start up.